Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to make your life easier. Today, we have a product that will definitely help you secure all your outdoor items with ease. Especially for those looking for the best Tombstone Stakes, the Feed Garden 12-inch 16-pack rebar stakes. Let's start with the build quality. These stakes are made of heavy-duty galvanized steel, ensuring that they are rust-resistant and durable for long-lasting use. Unlike other stakes that may wear down over time, these are built to withstand the elements, making them perfect for year-round outdoor activities. Whether it's for a trampoline, a fence, or any other structure, these stakes will hold up even under the harshest weather conditions. The 12-inch length combined with the 5/16-inch diameter offers the ideal balance of strength and penetration power. The sharp, chisel-pointed end makes installation a breeze. No extra tools are needed. Just step on the stake to drive it into the ground, and you're done. This feature makes it incredibly user-friendly, saving you time and effort when you need to secure things outdoors. The black J-hook design not only looks sleek, but it also provides added stability for your tents, fences, swing sets, or even yard decorations. This is the kind of versatility you'll appreciate, especially when you need something that can be used in various outdoor settings, from backyards to more rugged environments. Each pack comes with 16 stakes, ensuring you have enough to secure multiple items at once, whether you're stabilizing a trampoline in high winds or ensuring your garden decorations stay put. The 12-inch size is perfect for most common uses, giving you just the right amount of penetration into the ground to keep things in place. When it comes to reliability, Feed Garden delivers. The galvanized steel ensures that these stakes won't rust or degrade after repeated exposure to the elements. You can reuse them season after season, making them a sustainable and cost-effective solution. So, if you're looking for the best Tombstone stakes, the Feed Garden 12-inch 16-pack rebar stakes is your go-to choice. With its premium quality, ease of use, and multi-purpose functionality, it truly stands out as one of the best products in its category. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and product breakdowns. See you next time.